The department welcome you on the eve of our Mechanical Association.
This is our heaven, our college, history beyond this heaven. For every kingdom there will be a founder. This kingdom is from his pure hands. His vast journey to bring up this kingdom. His journey started here in 80s and passed the milestones through PG Center at Kakinada, Godavari Institute of Engineering and Technology, Rajahmundry, along with petroleum colleges and pharmaceutical colleges, Chaitanya Engineering College, Visakhapatnam, Konasema Institute of Medical Sciences, Amalapuram, and serving lots of people with his hospital, Chaitanya Institute of Technology and Engineering, Rajahmundry, and our campus. And still his battle continues. MBA, MCA and so on. Our dynamic administrators, Mr. Ravi Verma Garu, Sasi Verma Garu and Krishna Raju Garu, strengthening the kingdom. Our beloved director sir, Mr. G.S.N. Raju Garu, retired scientist, NSTL. Our beloved principal sir, Dr. V. Venkata Krishna Garu. Our beloved academic director, Dr. D. Ananda Mohan Rao Garu, former principal, JNTU, Kakinada. Our beloved vice principal sir, Murthy Raju Garu, and leading the heaven with their exceptional efforts.
Our asset, Mr. Ramakrishna Garu.
The department is headed by Mr. V. Subramanian Garu with the support of faculty members. The department is strengthened by 2 professors, 2 associative professors, 7 assistant professors and 6 non-teaching staff, out of which 1 is doctorate and 6 of them are MTechs, and all completed their studies from reputed engineering colleges like JNTU Kakinada, etc. What is mechanical engineering? Engineering affects every aspect of human activity, work, leisure, health and education. Engineers are involved in the design and manufacture of almost everything, from cars to computers, from web pages to wings, from microchips to motorways. Many recent medical advances have been made as a result of work done by engineers, ranging from brain scanners to the drug dispenser. Training as a mechanical engineer will lead you into one of the broadest areas of engineering. Mechanical engineering played a vital part in the design, manufacture and installation of the eye, something that was originally believed to be impossible. Now it is both an extremely popular tourist attraction and an inspiration to the future engineers. Other examples include medical engineering companies now developing surgical robotic systems for orthopedic, spinal and dental surgery. Environmental engineers in the UK are producing world-leading technology in emission control, while UK-based mechanical engineers in the defense industry are creating an innovative protective system for the International Space Station, amongst other things. This is just a selection of the exciting, innovative and challenging projects that mechanical engineers are involved in. We are completely involved in every aspect.
Our achievements. Our successful industrial visits. With the support of our management and principals, sir, so far we visited some of the industries like Bhavani Castings and Deccan Sugars. These visits helped us to gain even the practical knowledge. So we are very thankful to the management and principal sir for providing us a wonderful experience. extraordinary performance by our students at various events.
Thank you.